Hi everyone, today I have received this game. So it is one of the table tennis game, but this game is having rope. Let us unbox it. So here we have one table tennis ball. So here string is there. With this string, with this thread, we can play nicely. So here we have adjustable knob. Okay, you can tighten it and you can lose it. So here we can make it like this. So it is one of the hanger. So by using the hanger we can hang anywhere and we can play with this. So here we got two bats. One is orange color bat, one is a green color bat. So these two bats are there. Along with that we got four extra balls. So four extra balls are there. Along with that one extra thread also given in this package. So this is the best game for the children those age is less than 10. Why? Because so now it is a summer season, so they will try to play somewhere outside. So what we have to do, we have to hang it somewhere else like this, and we can play with this. So here two bats are there, so you can play like this. So nicely we can play. So it is one of the table tennis game, so which is available very less cost, approximately 180 to 250 rupees. I got it for 195 rupees. This is the best puzzle, best game for the children those ages less than 10. They can play at home only. So if you hit hardly also, ball won't go anywhere, it will stick to the hanger only. So this is the best one. If you like this, you can buy it.